go swim, Maggie? Good. We're gonna get in the truck and we're gonna drive.
So the recommendation is that you hire someone to install your Nest Doorbell. That's not gonna happen. You guys already saw me install the garbage disposal. I'll put the link up here for anyone who hasn't seen it. That was an adventure. That was more of an adventure, I hope, than this is. I hope this isn't as hard as that was. So first we had to find our doorbell chime box, and I know I'd seen it around here somewhere. I just had never really thought about where it actually was. It's right here and it looks like this. We uncovered it. There's our little picture so we know what it looked like beforehand before we start messing with it. And we're gonna try to do this ourselves. Boys, do you think we can do it ourselves?
Yeah.
You think mommy can?
Wait, I need to think down with the finger and then you look at that, okay, Mom? Like an idea?
Not yet. Now we have to turn it off. We have to turn off the fuse. Whoa. So that mommy doesn't electrocute herself, right? Not a lot of help. We're gonna find the fuse box now. This is gonna be so much fun. No, I actually do know where the fuse box is, so not quite an adventure. Fuse box, and now I just gotta find the fuse for the doorbell. Doorbell, range. Garage DAC plugs. That's gotta be it, right? Don't lock me out, you little bunny. Also not running though. Okay, let's see if I manage to. Oh, that was not the right one. It still rang. We have to find a different one. So that has a different power source. So we've got to go find a different one.
There was one that was going back and forth in that one.
I bet there was.
Yeah, it was going back and forth.
Well, that didn't work.
Really fast.
Was it cool?
Yeah.
We got to go find a different fuse. We got to turn the other one back on. We got to turn something else off. Back down the stairs we go. So we killed the power to the living room and the dining room, and we're gonna see if this works. I mean, it's the middle of the day. We don't need lights. You want to see if it works? Okay, ring it. Ring it. How can it still work? Like, okay, guys, that's enough. I don't know. Is it gonna work? Is it not? I don't even know what this thing's wired into. Like, you think it's funny? You think it's funny?
You know the camera's electricity, right?
No, the camera's not. It's a battery. So it's definitely not electricity. So this.
It's fun. It's a cat. That thing's a cat.
I'm so exhausted. Enough, guys.
This is Mommy's source camera that she uses to source cat to it.
So we got the Nest video doorbell.
No, that's
You guys, okay, everybody needs to give me some space right now, okay? Okay, so we got the Nest Doorbell. We're opening it for the very, very first time. Oops. It's like a little arrow thing to lift up, I guess. Hey guys, why don't you guys go outside and play while I set this up, okay?
Okay.
James and Patrick too. This is your last day of weekday summer, so enjoy it. Here's what it looks like.
It's our last day.
So when you open it, it's like not, so be careful. Yeah. Let me know. Pull that part out. You go outside like I asked you to?
Put stuff behind it. Mom, we have to be outside.
Everything is just falling all over the place. Oh, sucker for the window.
La la la. La la la.
Yep, la la la. Oh, that's not good.
La la la.
Decapitated your sister's brand new doll. Let's not let her see that, okay?
La la la.
Farolina. is only a day old and you've already pulled her head off. Let's not tell anyone about this. At least leave her head on, okay? You can play with her, but don't take her. Do not pull her head off. Okay? La la la. Doll. Okay, here we go. Get the Nest app wire, the chime connector. La la la. Pink hair. Wall plate, chime connector. We're gonna need the screwdriver and see if I can do this myself with a whole lot of help around here. Here, this is the part that goes with the doorknob right there. Oh, looks like Tessie's coming up to help. So yeah, as I said, I've been filming all day. I'm not sure how I'm gonna edit this into the day of the life, or if I'll make this its own post, but they advise you hire a pro. That's just not gonna happen, so I'm gonna be doing this myself. So we'll see how hard or easy this actually is. I'm not like super handy, but I've like installed my old garbage disposal, so I'm kind of handy. So we'll see. This goes in the chime part. Now that I have no power in my house, I'm going to be using my phone. Okay, hopefully I have enough memory on my phone to download the app to tell me what to do. Something wrong. I'm guessing the head just came off that doll. Which is what happens when you pull heads off dolls. Okay, we're downloading the Nest app right now. Hey Tess. Beautiful. It is a little bit annoying though when you like download the app and or when you not download the app, when you go to the website and the advice of the website is to like, the biggest advice of the website is every few minutes like get a professional grid. Like, yeah, no. Let's go find a screwdriver. Well, you're not gonna come with me to find a screwdriver. If you're just here for like the Nest install, if that's how I end up doing this one. We are generally a autism channel. We have 2 daughters with autism. They're pretty awesome. We are installing a whole bunch of Nest cameras because Maggie has a tendency to elope, and so our house is kind of like Fort Knox. These cameras are kind of the last line of defense, and basically I'm setting them up so that I can make dinner and still keep an eye on things everywhere in the house at the same time. So really they're to give our kids more freedom so that our girls who are on the spectrum can have as much freedom as possible, so that I can like let them be outside playing in the yard. We have a fenced, totally kid-proof backyard, but I want them to be able to be out there during the summer playing in the backyard and be able to like glance at it and see that they are playing in our backyard and having a normal summer with their brothers and sister. So that is pretty much why we have all of these. Anyways, I should be getting that screwdriver. Okay, I kind of finally figured it out. You have to be in the app and scan it with your camera, so that worked. And now it's gonna tell me actually what to do. At least it's not totally like hopeless. Let's see.
Welcome to Nest. We're going to show you how to set up and install the Nest Hello video. Most doorbell chimes only have 2 wires, but yours may have more.
What?
Move, please.
Move please? I can't move right now. What? Huh?
Please.
Fix it?
Tape. I
I don't have tape or glue to fix this.
Ali.
Try not to pull her head off again, okay? Just don't pull the doll's head off, okay? Here you go. slide downstairs. So that's right. It wasn't that bad. That looked right. And this thing on the side. Man, I hope that's right. Remove your old doorbell, unscrew the doorbell from the wall, and remove any additional hardware of any doorbell. Consider your camera angle. My hair makes. So why I was happy was because I don't have to drill again. Because my drill battery is in the weed whacker and the lights are dark. Hi, Nanny. No, I'm installing our new.
Maggie, ready to go? Where's your backpack?
It's in my room.
Is it your room?
Yeah. Yeah. It's the moment of truth. We're hoping this works. I'm really skeptical.
Strawberry medium milkshake.
Bye, Maggie. Have a good day. Let's hope this works.
The kids down there.
I think they're outside.
Okay. Can I give them a snack? The snack things?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I just didn't think so. I don't know. It is. Maybe I'm about to like fry this thing. The moment of truth. Switch the power back on. So, how about you guys stay here and I'll run downstairs and I'll hit the main power back on and we'll see if I now have a Nest power switch and if I actually did this myself. If I did, this is going to be like the second project that I've successfully completed. We'll see. Okay, Nanny. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. It's glowy blue. Is it premature to put this here? Probably. The doorbell rang. I mean, we heard a doorbell ring. Yes, it's blue. Is it blue? Front door. Connecting. They're looking for my camera. Connecting. Well, I guess I do have to connect it probably to my Wi-Fi, so let's see what happens now. Oh yeah, I've got to actually get up to the Wi-Fi. So let's do that first. Hook it up to the Wi-Fi, give it the password, remember the password, say the password out loud on YouTube. The Wi-Fi's got to come back on because, and start going out over actually the wireless router because our power was out because I had killed it at the fuse box. So finishing up adding to your Nest account. Okay. Well, I guess we know that I actually did set up the ringing part because it actually rang. So I didn't totally mess up the chimes, which was my biggest concern. Added to your Nest account, it says it works. Oh, apparently my flashlight's on right now. My mom is there with the kids, so that's why I'm not worried about that screaming. Added to your Nest account. Next, you should now see a live video. Okay. Like the back of the rocking chair I'm sitting in right now? I do, you guys! I see the back of the rocking chair I'm sitting in right now. I see myself. it is delayed. It's delayed about. It's delayed about.
It is delayed.
15 seconds.
It's delayed about. It's delayed a few minutes.
Yeah. Okay, so it's delayed about 10 to 15 seconds, which isn't that big a deal to me. Anyways, that's pretty cool. I got it to work and I did it myself and I didn't have to hire a professional or, you know, phone a friend or even look up any of the other YouTube videos. So I'm happy with that. You can see it right here. And yeah, now I just gotta install those other six Nest cameras, no, five Nest cameras that we've got. So that's probably not today's project. That's probably the project for the next 2 days. I want to get them up before school starts. So anyways, guys, now on to the rest of our day. We did it.